main thing we really are trying to solve is that customers, clients, these people want to build products, but they don't know where to start. They don't know. Yeah, at its basis, right? Fundamentally, that's what we are trying to solve. So anybody, anywhere in the world can have an idea and say, hey, I know this problem and I know this is the solution. But where the hell do I start? At that point, how do I start? Where do I start? At that point, I want them to think, oh, I'll go to these guys at MEKā and I can talk to them, and they'll be able to either point me in the right direction or to help me out lah. And that's fundamentally what I think the business is about lah. Then obviously you have all the other aspects of things lah. Who do we target? Who can actually pay us for our services and all that sort of things. But fundamentally, that's the problem we're trying to solve. We're going to help people build their ideas, build prototypes, build products, manufacture, go to market, sell, make $1 billion. That's fundamentally it. That's, I think, would you all agree?
Yeah.
Of course, you
basically take your problems and we give our 2 cents lah. Right, and we will probably discuss with them how do we actually want it to be. All those things like.
Like for me, it's like at the very least we will hear you out. Even if we don't actually take up the project or the idea, we're like, oh, it's actually quite cool, but it's not something we can do. Then I mean,
these things.
Like I like to think that we have quite a large pool of contacts that will say like, no, we can't help you with this, but we know someone that will just make that connection and hopefully, someone else can take it up. Rather than just doing the typical company thing of oh sorry, this is like we don't do this service, we don't do this. This is not part of our scope. And then just conversation ends.
But in general, it's solving your problems. Even if it's beyond our scope, we point them in the right direction.